all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No L's on my record, I never lost, baby.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, as y'all can tell by the title, I am in my new home. I have moved out. I'm also bald-headed, but that's besides the point. It's kind of like an echo too, and I feel like I'm yelling, but I can do that now. You want to know why? Because I'm in my own house. I can be as loud as I want to. Anyways, as you can tell by the title, today I am gonna be giving y'all the empty apartment tour. It's not really nothing like too crazy, but yeah, I'm excited. Like, this is my first time ever living alone. Like, I don't even count when I was away at school as me technically living alone, because I mean, obviously I had roommates, but like, I was on my own, if you catch my drift. But yeah, enough rambling. Let's just get into it. So let me take y'all to the front. This is the door, right? When you walk in, boom, this is what you see. This is what you see. There's a switch right here, and I don't know if there's a light outside, but like, I don't really know what this goes to, but that's besides the point. This is the living room area. There's also a little, okay, if the blinds are open, I have like a little patio out here. I'm not gonna go outside because it is definitely nighttime and I might get snatched up or something. You know, we never know, we never know. Over here, I'm thinking the couch is gonna go here, and then I'm gonna have a TV on the wall over here and like all my decorations, or TV decorations and couch, you know, something like that. Keep walking over here. We have a little coat closet. It's kind of spacious, not gonna lie. A little water heater, whatever, but yeah, kind of spacious. Ignore my stuff. Parents gave me an Alexa. Don't know how to use it, but I need to figure that out. Do they work with iPhones? That's what I need to know. Moving along. This is the, what is this, like a dining area? Gonna have like a little kitchen table over here, even though nobody's gonna be over here, but that's besides the point. And then we have the kitchen. It came with all of the goodies, which is great, of course. Refrigerator, empty as I don't know what. Freezer, empty as I don't know what. I have a little dishwasher, the sink. I love all the cabinet space. Like, yeah, we love it. I'm definitely gonna need a step stool because I cannot reach up there, but there's that. We have a stove. I'm not really a fan that this is an electric stove, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. It's still gonna get the job done. Dishwasher, if I didn't say that already. Moving along to the left, we have me bedroom. And honestly, this is smaller than my room at home, which I'm not really a fan of. And these blinds are gonna bother me, so let me fix this real quick. Like, ew, okay, slightly better. I'm thinking my bed is gonna go, let me back out so y'all can see. Dang, is there not a light in here? That's wild. Okay, I'm thinking my bed is gonna go on this wall, like facing that way, only because I don't want a bed right here where you walk in and it's just like you. That's weird. That's what I'm thinking. Don't really know too sure yet. Then yeah, get into the closet. Let's really like get into the closet space. Yeah. I bet you can't walk under your wait, that might not be a good, that might be, I'm short. But I bet you can't walk under your this thing in your closet. Yeah, bet you can't. Bet you can't. Anyways, I have me a little walk-in closet. Hold on. I see my little Delilah different. Let me stop playing. Anyways, this is my closet. Closet at home. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I've seen it, but it's just like a big row. So this kind of lit. Shoe collection is definitely going to be growing. Purse collection is definitely going to be growing. I'm actually really hyped. Let me cut these lights off because I got to pay my own bills now. Close that. There's me. Here is the bathroom. Uh-oh. I don't know if y'all know this, but I love wearing all black. Minus the hat, but like I just love it. Does this open? It does. Okay. What are these called? I don't know, the mirror cabinet, but I don't know what it's actually called right now. This is this situation. I hate that when I turn this light on, it makes this annoying sound. Like I really hate this with a passion. Also, I'm gonna be changing all my light bulbs out to like the LED white lamps more than likely. Don't ask me why, because I don't really remember, but that's what I'm gonna do. More space. We love all the drawers. And then, yeah, this is what the shower situation looks like. Also gonna change this out more than likely to like the rain one that also has like the little detachable thing, because I'm just not a fan. I'm a little picky. This bathtub is also kind of low-key big, but yeah, I think that about covers everything. I actually need to go like to my car and start moving some of my stuff in, because if not, I'm gonna be here all night and it's just me, so I kind of have to do it by myself. I hate when my mama takes me back and say K, like, where's the O? Anyways, the management people also gave me this little box. I don't know what's in it, so did I open it? I think I opened it earlier and closed it back for the sake of the video, but let's just see. It says, oh, let me not tell y'all where I live at, but it says welcome home, and it has like the address. And then, oh, how nice. They just gave me like a sponge and some towels and some soap and stuff. How cute. But yeah, y'all, I have my own place. Content is gonna go crazy. I know I've been gone for a long while, but I'm back and I'm better. And yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns for me, comment them down below and I'll probably answer them in like a separate video or whatnot. But yeah, I think that's all I really got for right now. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.